Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06 issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So now why that particular code appears or the issue appears is when you try to log in to your Snapchat multiple times without the correct info, or something is wrong, or if you you're despite that you have been trying to log in multiple times, and that will be caused because of multiple failed login attempts. So when you get that particular issue, all you have to do is close your app and then just wait patiently for 20-25 minutes, max 30 minutes, and reopen your app and try to re-log in. If it still doesn't go by, check your network connection as well, because you're trying to log in but your connection is not good. If it's disconnect and connect in between, that could also cause check out that as well. Then simply reinstall your app. If it still is not working out, go ahead, reinstall the app. Go ahead, long press remove app and reinstall it and try to re-sign in. You should be good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.